And we're gonna go ahead and jump right in here with the Snick. Very interesting name there, Snick. A Cornell Kiss design, AEBL steel, G10 handle, satin finish on the blade, and under 3 inches at 2.68 inches length on the blade there. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, Kizer just dropped a whole lot of great, amazing folding knives for January 2026. That video is uploaded here in the channel if you guys want to check it out. By the way, this is already looking very interesting. Yeah, all the folders are on a different video. This video is for all the fixed blades. We got the sheath there, we got some paperwork, wiping cloth there, and a sticker, of course. So let's see what we are working with here, right? Fixed blade with multiple little grooves here or cutouts on the handle. All right, let's take a look. Now, I'm just gonna give it a nice little wipe here to wipe away all of the excess oils and whatnot. Kizer has been making a lot of great new EDC fixed blades or fixed blades in general with AEBL steel, which you all seem to love very much. First impressions, I'm loving the red and black, right? Little combo here on the handle. There's going to be a full tang construction here, as you can see. We even got a little bit of milling detail for extra grip back here. We have dual jimping zones on the tang of the blade there, which is nice. We have, looks like a hex pattern here for disassembly. And this back hole here can be used as your lanyard solution if you wanted to. Now, of course, the elephant in the room, right? How are the ergos, McGill? Gee, I wonder. I wonder. $1 million question. How are the ergos? Of course, these are absolutely on point. If you're looking for a nice knife that fits the hand, kind of contours very well. Yeah, index finger has a place to go. All other fingers follow suit as well. And that absolutely, right, feels very nice on hand. This curvature right here also helps in the ergonomics department. Now, for the blade, right, we have a beautiful Warney. I'm just going to go with that. Warney with a flat grind. Loving that. Satin finish. Good plunge grind situation. Love to see that, so you can sharpen the knife without getting a smile. And you just feel like you're lock and loaded here with this blade, right? If you're doing a lot of cardboard cutting with plenty of passes back to back on, say, trash day or what have you, really destroying some cardboard for trash day, I mean, this would absolutely get the work done. You, of course, have the tip there. That's very utilitarian. Good for draw cuts, utility cuts. You can do those all day. The jimping here helps for your index finger if you want to do a little bit more control cutting like that, or you can do the pinch grip if you want to open up a package as well. So very utilitarian fixed blade, to be honest, and it has a sheath, right? So it goes here. All right, there we go. It goes in and out of the sheath pretty good. You can adjust this screw right here if you want the sheath to be a little bit tighter or a little bit looser. Sometimes it comes loose by default and I have to tighten it up a bit, but pretty much, yeah, no rattle, if anything, on this one. And we do have the button operated clip back here, so very common, very popular right now. A lot of you guys really love using it. Now, the only thing with this one is you won't be able to turn the clip. It looks like you can go 90 degrees and change the orientation of the clip. As far as the tension, right, and how well it works with the knife, yeah, very, very nice. And Kizer typically does a pretty good job with their sheath, right? There's no question about it at all, right? It absolutely works really, really good. We'll do some size comparisons in a moment, but man, talk about a very straightforward but absolutely functional geometry and overall knife package here. If you're looking for your next fixed blade, I gotta tell you, I definitely have to look into this one here for sure, right? Especially if you're looking for something under 3 inches, right? 2.68 on this one to be exact. Check your local laws to see what length knife you can carry. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.